We're at another building in Hamilton, and we've got, I don't know who made these, Kleemann. Got some Kleemann lifts here installed by Cremer. 975 kilos or 13 persons. Okay, 5's locked, we'll have to go to 4. No, 4's locked off as well, so we're gonna have to go to 3. Hydraulics. But I don't know if these are hydraulic, they actually feel at a decent speed for it. They actually feel at quite a decent speed. You can see you've got the Kleemann logo there. Thank goodness there's no reception desk there. Quite a nice cab though. Even though these lifts are a bit more on the cheap side, they're actually very nice lifts, I must say. Right. Here we are back at ground. There it goes. And that's it.